5 Things to Know Tuesday, December 21st. 1. Biden to address fight against COVID-19, discuss federal assistance. President Joe Biden plans to speak Tuesday on the status of the fight against COVID-19 and discuss government help for communities in need of assistance, White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki tweeted. The president will also warn about the risks for unvaccinated Americans. Dr. Anthony Fauci, Biden's top coronavirus advisor, said the president will be emphasizing and upscaling some existing policies and detailing new steps. That includes the ongoing push to get people vaccinated, making testing more available, sending surge response teams to states with rising rates, providing vaccines to the rest of the world, and making traveling safer. If we're going to deal with Omicron successfully, vaccinated people need to get boosted, Fauci told NBC. And obviously, people who are not vaccinated clearly need to get vaccinated now more than ever. 2. Jury to resume deliberations in Ghislaine Maxwell trial. The jury tasked with considering whether Ghislaine Maxwell is a dangerous predator who recruited teens to be sexually abused by financier Jeffrey Epstein, as prosecutors put it, or the innocent woman a defense attorney described her as, will continue deliberating Tuesday. Jurors received the case just before 5 p.m. Monday after 2 prosecutors and a defense lawyer delivered their closing arguments over a 6-hour period in Maxwell's sex trafficking trial. The closings came after 24 prosecution witnesses testified, including the 4 women who say they were abused by Epstein with the help of Maxwell when they were teenagers. The defense rested its case on Friday after Maxwell told the judge she wouldn't testify. 3. COVID affects sports. NHL to play final games, NFL plays rescheduled meets. Due to the rising number of positive COVID-19 cases, the National Hockey League and the NHL Players Association agreed to start their Christmas break early. The NHL plans to pause its season Wednesday, 2 days before the originally scheduled break from December 24th to 26th. So, the final 2 games on the NHL's schedule before the break: the Washington Capitals at the Philadelphia Flyers, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, and the Tampa Bay Lightning visiting the Vegas Golden Knights, 10 p.m. Eastern Time, are both a go Tuesday, pending any additional positive tests. Meanwhile, the National Football League will play on as 2 matchups originally scheduled for Sunday will be played Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Time, both airing on Fox, due to COVID concerns. The Washington football team is traveling to Philadelphia to play the Eagles in an NFC East rivalry game, and the Los Angeles Rams will host the Seattle Seahawks in an NFC West matchup that will have playoff positioning implications. 4. Certain states will see stimulus checks for the holidays. Hopes of a 4th stimulus check from the federal government have been dashed, but certain states will still offer their residents some cash ahead of the holidays. So far, there have been 3 rounds of stimulus checks, one in April 2020, another in December 2020, and one more in March 2021. In addition, Maine, California, Maryland, Florida, Georgia, Michigan, and Tennessee have all passed legislation to provide stimulus money this month. The qualifications are different in each state, but many include money for teachers and low-income families and residents. 5. Short day, long night. The winter solstice is Tuesday. Winter is coming. The solstice, the precise moment at which the northern hemisphere is tilted farthest from the sun, is Tuesday. It marks the beginning of astronomical winter in the northern hemisphere and occurs at the same instant everywhere on Earth. Here in the United States, that's 10:59 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Though the solstice marks the astronomical beginning of winter, meteorologists view winter as starting December 1st. Additionally, most locations don't have their earliest sunset or latest sunrise on the solstice. Those events occur either weeks before or after December 21st.